Hi there, thanks for joining in and welcome to Southbridge. This video is a walkthrough on how to read Excel file in Node.js. If you want to follow along, you can download the source code from the description box. So here in the project folder, we have a typical Excel file with 10 rows of data excluding the headers. Our goal is to read these information in Node.js. Now let's create the read Excel JavaScript file. Next step is to initialize the Node package manager with a yes flag. After that, we can now install the XLSX package from SheetJS Community Edition. Now let's use the XLSX package including the Node.js path module. Let's use the join method from the path module to locate the Excel file we want to read. In this case, the sample Excel file. Now let's extract the workbook by using the read file method in the XLSX object. Then we will get all the sheet names. But we already know that we only have one worksheet to work with, so we will use the index of 0. Now it's time to extract the data using the sheet to JSON method in the XLSX object. We should supply the selected worksheet as the parameter to the method. Now let's display the data into the console. Now let's run the script and type node read Excel.js. As you can see, we have successfully displayed the data from the Excel file. So that's how you can read an Excel file in Node.js. See you in the next video. Thanks.